Here goes me, Characters. Like I say, I'm going to be showing you how to make two characters move in relation to each other in Scratch. So, first of all, go open your web browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. Press on Create. Close the annoying pop-up. And go to File, load from your computer, and get your project. So, first of all, make another sprite. And just make another character. It's up to you what that is. I'm going to be copying my existing one. Alright, that's good. Now, go on the text, change the font to whatever you want, and change the fill to whatever you want. I'm going to be using black. And write P2. That above your sprite's head. Now go on to sprite 1. Do the same thing, but write P1 and put that above your character's head. So, now. Alright, so go on your first character's code. Okay. Then move these a bit out. Like this. And now go on events, get broadcast, and put this under each one. Now go on this, get new message, and write R. Now click on new message again and write U. Now get on new message again and press D. Now get on new message again and get L. Now that we have this, go on to Sprite 5, get when I receive, and get 4 of these. Alright, so do you want to leave them on? Then we'll get on to D, then we'll go on to R, and then on to U. So now, go on to motion, and get 2 change X by, and then get 2 change Y by. Now, put change X by under R and L, and change a Y by under U and D. So now put the negative sign in front of the 10 on D, and the negative sign in front of the 10 on L. And now, get your character to whatever you want it to be, and then check your first sprite's y-axis, then set that y-axis to the same thing on your second. And now we will have relative motion. As you can see, this is quite slow because Scratch is an interpreter. So you can download Turbo Warp, which I will list in the description on how you can do that on one of my videos. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.
Hey, none of you are subscribed. None of you who watch my videos are subscribed. Yes, that's 0%. So please smash that like button, subscribe and click the bell. Bye.